Okay, welcome in this video. Today we will see kugura, kugurisha, kugurira. What I want to speak and to say about first with Kirundi, it's like before to introduce it, to speak about that lesson is you need to know that in the way of learning the language, you will have time you have pain in your head. It's like Kirundi is too much thing. There are too much thing to know, too much thing to jump to play with in safe time. And after, yes, if you don't have that pain and said, even if I have that pain, I continued, you will not arrive if you don't accept that pain. To say, I don't know. Sometimes people say, I need holiday to forget. No, not holiday. Not holiday. Maybe, okay, you can go back in some lesson that you know before, but not holiday with Kirundi. I remember one people will call, why I say no holiday, why I'm strict with that, is because I remember one person, it was in Finland, one person was coming to learn French. He was speaking Dutch only. And he's starting to to die, to cry, to say, I want to come back because every time it's French. I don't understand. I have pain. And, there are people who are speaking too much, too fast, and is that you need to experiment if you want to speak Kirundi. It's very important. When you come back and you said, I didn't understand anything, that means it's very good. Even if you took time before to study, it's that mindset you need to have. Now we will start with the teacher, but it's very important to know that mindset and information. You will have that mindset of to say, it's not to study only with us. It's like you have that way of thinking will help you it will help you to know after to continue to learn by yourself. Okay, let's start with the video with the teacher, and after I will give you some clear remarks.
Emera utange amahera ugure ico camwa kuko kiraryoshe. Gura ico camwa ni ciza. Reka gusamara akira amahera ugurishe ivyo bidandazwa bariko baragusaba. Reka gusamara akira amahera ugurishe. Wibuke umugurire mama wawe ivyo yagutumye. Reka ndamugurire iyi mpuzu umwana wanje ndabona yomukwira.
Okay, about this is kugura, kugurisha, kugurira. It was very good to listen the teacher first speaking. In definition here, you can see what is right is gutanga amahera ama bakaguha ivyo wasavye canke ivyo ushaka. I think it's very clear. The definition is to give, to give money for something. You go to the market, okay, I go, it's like, in English, it's like to buy. I think it's very clear, to buy, kugura. After kugurisha, kwakira amahera hama ugatanga ivyo bagusavye canke bakubwiye. Here is to sell, vendre in French. In the end of this video, I will tell you something very funny. I think it's very interesting to go until the end. Because what I will explain is not about these verbs, but it's about all the verbs you will learn in Kirundi. And to sell, and you can say to make, to buy. I understand what I want to say. I think I spoke about verb causative in previous video. I think if you remember, it's important to go is to make buying. It's make to buy. Is to call someone to buy. Why I translate like that? It's like to understand that you come from the verb kugura. After with use of this verb, you go to kugurisha. For example, if you see, okay, to buy, to sell. For you in English, there are no links between, but in Kirundi there are links. You see, kugurisha is very linking. And after the last one is kugurira. First one is kugura ibintu wantumwe n'uwundi muntu. Someone, yes, I buy something for someone, or you but it's that guy sent me, or to go to buy, and it's me that I want to give him to like gift. And for example, here we will translate more like if I take this like to buy for someone, or to buy who, but I think it's better to use to buy for. And in the example with the, for example, with the teacher, she said, wibuke umugurire mama wawe ibyo yagutumye. Wibuke umugurire mama wawe ibyo yagutumye. Yes, it's very important to see that it's like to send, it's like to buy for your mom something, for something that she sent you to do. Donc remember to go to buy for your mother what she said to you. I think it's very clear. And also for the, not the joke, but the small story. It was about, I was looking for in I don't know the word, in chemistry. I was looking for medicine. Yes, for medicine. Sometimes it's very difficult to have some medicine in Burundi. And after I was looking, I was asking, oh, do you have that medicine? And sometimes when you come in some chemistry, they said it's not chemistry. You think it's a chemistry of people buying for people. No, it's chemistry that is, yes, sell to other chemistry. It's like to sell, yes, to sell other chemistry, and the guys, it's like me. I have my chemistry. I go there and I take a lot of things, a lot of with a big small price, and after I go in my chemistry, I try to sell it. That is like it's a thing here you can see in Burundi. And he was speaking, he was using the word kuranguza, kurangura. And when I was speaking, I was mixing my head. What do you want to say with that? What is the difference? What is the definition of that? And the guy said me, Toge turarangutsa. Me, I was mixing in my head. Because I started first to say, Mame mwebwe murarangura. He said, no, turarangutsa. Now I was very mixed. I was, what is the difference? And the difference is you can understand with the what I explained is before is with the causative verb. The causative verb of that kuranguza, kurangura, it's kuranguza. And kurangura is like to buy in dictionary, to say the truth. You can find something like that, to buy a lot. It's like to buy in big, like you can put in your in your in your boutique. And there are people, they make buy to make buy to buy a lot. And that person that make to buy a lot is like these people that they have chemistry, and they said, oh, okay, I have big chemistry. I took my product from one country, and after we send to people, we will take in big, not a particular. We come, I need this medicine. No. That is another work. Yes, I think I was a little bit clear what I wanted to say. What I want to say in the end is that we need to continue to study. Is that why? Don't hesitate.